It changes into a butterfly. I think England over there.
And yeah, we left. And we left for Jamaica. And do you feel like we made the right decision?
They're behind you.
Are we? If we climb all the way to the top of that mountain.
No, isn't it incredible?
Stop shouting. I think England over there. How are you two baby goats? Look at the mountain.
Well done, T.
Whoa, look at that bird. Yeah, that's a swallow. Yeah, look at that swallow.
It's not a swallow, it's a bloody massive eagle.
You might have to kneel down. Come here, Hayes. Come here.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Here we are. Everyone thinks that Jamaica is a paradise, but how does that shape up after being here for 1 month? 1 month ago, we packed up our lives, literally. We didn't even do that. We put them into a flight case, jumped on a plane, and didn't really pack up anything. We left the house exactly as it was. How's it going, Mish? How do you think?
So yeah, we didn't really tell anyone that we were moving. We only told Toby's mum in the end. And yeah, we left. And we left for Jamaica. And do you feel like we made the right decision?
It's been very, very tough, I would say. It's probably the biggest revelation. Obviously, I knew it was going to be tough. I don't think it was going to be a walk in the park by any stretch of the imagination. But having said that, it ain't been a walk in the park, that's for sure.
Jamaica.
So look, as you can see, guys, we are up in the mountains.
Beautiful hillside, mountainside
That looks like
of Jamaica.
that looks like a painted picture, right?
Absolutely.
That's some screensaver stuff, but we're in the mountains, and so why did we choose the mountains?
Yeah.
Because it's cheaper, I guess. That's the real reason. So we were struggling to find a place, but we wanted to be around. We wanted to be in Manchester, and we got there. That's what we want. But mainly it's because it's cheaper, and because we can work
it's close
as well.
It's close to cities. It's close to roads. It's easy to get in between from town to town.
Come out of the mud.
Lovely.
How do you feel about moving to Jamaica? Do you like it? Theo, what's your favourite thing?
Going to the mountain.
What do you like about Jamaica? Tell the people.
I like going to Manchester shopping centre.
Really? What's your favourite shop?
Manchester shopping. My favourite shop is Wednesday.
Oh, hang on a second.
Good job.
Alright, so look, Jamaica, everyone knows, and I've said this already, that the cost of living in Jamaica ain't cheap.
It's really not.
Look, the rent is cheaper, okay, but the cost of food, is sometimes it can be like triple, or literally it can be quadruple, you know.
This is mainly in the supermarkets. There's quite a large increase on the foods here versus in the UK.
Yeah.
But in the markets, things are very, very good value. And if you go to more local shops as well, we bought some cups, for example, today, and they were pretty cheap, pretty affordable. Whereas if we bought them in the supermarket, then we'd probably find it's not as affordable. So it depends on where you shop, really.
Food prices, don't like that. but the
Yeah.
rent prices, I do like that. People will talk about potholes, which is a true thing, man. Really, really, really true.
And they can get bigger by the hour, especially if there's been a lot of rain. Petrol is one thing we found a lot more affordable here. Again, the petrol's probably like what, half the price of the UK?
Yeah, literally half the price.
Yeah.
So in England, it would cost you like 70 quid to fill it up. Over here, it's like 35, 40 quid.
And even
£40.
we've had a few car issues as well, and replacing bits on the car have been a lot cheaper here versus than in the UK.
Yeah, so we had 2 tyres that were completely balled.
Yep.
And we replaced both of them for brand new tyres with fitting and a new windscreen wiper blade, and it was £70. There's absolutely no way you'd ever get 2 brand new tyres fitted and a windscreen wiper. And how long did it take? Like an hour?
It didn't take long at all, really.
Yeah, and the speed at which they actually did it was unbelievably quick as well. You'd be waiting there half the day for that in England.
You'd have to even book your car in England and then probably come back another day to have it done.
Yeah.
So you'd be waiting quite some time.
There's a lot of mechanics out here, and they all know what they're doing.
We had another car issue with the battery, and again, sorted very quickly, very affordable.
So I guess one of the pressing questions is do we miss home?
Yeah.
And I'll let Misha answer that.
We can all answer, I suppose. Do we miss home? Yeah. I miss certain bits of home, to be completely honest with you, all our home comforts. But I am happy. I am happy being here in Jamaica. What about you guys?
Yes.
Do you miss home?
Yes.
Or are you happy being in Jamaica?
I miss home.
You love Jamaica, Hazel? Hazel,
You
would
and me love Jamaica.
do you? Theo and you love Jamaica?
Yeah.
Why is that?
Because we love it all the time. Look at that mountain over there.
Oh, Melly.
So it isn't all beaches in Jamaica, okay? It's been raining here for like practically a week solid. I'm talking torrential storm rain. Can't really go out in it either, can you? And where we are, it's not actually that warm. It's cold. Like, it's cold at night time. You don't need the air conditioning. You're a bit chilly.
Ready?
What? Get away.
Oh yeah, well done.
What is it going to change? It changes into a butterfly. That caterpillar.
And what else happens, Hayes?
That. Do you
You know about
know?
butterflies.
Was a full wing.
You know.
I've never seen a before. That is a caterpillar. Wow.
Peekaboo.
Mum, what's this?
Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Peekaboo.
Is that a caterpillar?
Where's Melody?
Yeah, it is a caterpillar.
There she is.
Mum, say where? Peekaboo.
Isn't she lovely? So how's it been for an interracial family with mixed race children in Jamaica? And I have to say, they've been beautifully received. Everyone loves the children everywhere we go. Everyone wants to stop and talk to them. It's just so beautiful, so welcoming, and just, yeah, it's really, really lovely.
In England, you don't get mud like that, do you? Look at the colour.
How have you found the contrast of moving from England to living in the UK, Tobes? How's it been for you?
Yeah, not too bad really. It's been good. I've enjoyed every part of the process really. It's been very stressful, as you probably can see in previous videos where I'm like twitching and look like I've got ants in my pants. But I feel like my nervous system has calmed down a bit now, and we're settling in a bit more, as you do. And it's been lovely that the rain's broken and we've been out of the house and stuff. It's whose birthday is it tomorrow? Whose birthday is it?
I will pick it up in a minute.
Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Yeah!
How old are you going to be?
3.
Yes!
Yeah, man.
So we've got plenty more milestones to have here in Jamaica, haven't we?
Yes, we
beautiful,
do.
Beautiful milestones.
Things that I miss, nothing really, apart from like the obvious things like my mum. We're here and which, like, you know, you're going to be unstable for a while.
And this is a period of growth.
You've got to go through the pain.
So would you say we've made the right decision, or was it a mistake moving?
T, come and tell them.
Would you say we made the right decision moving? It was definitely the right decision to move here to Jamaica. And if we could rewind back 30 days, would we still get on the plane? Absolutely.